The energy industry held its collective breath for months when construction to expand the Panama Canal halted due to payment disputes. But thanks to a breakthrough deal, they're now able to breathe a sigh of relief. Ginger Vaughn has the details from Houston.
The Panama Canal, a 100-year-old waterway which links Asia to the U.S., has been under construction to widen and deepen its canal since 2007. Construction, including all the dredging work and a new lock system, comes with a price tag of more than $5 billion.
Along with the canal's expansions, the world's biggest ports, like this one here in Houston, must also dredge deeper to accommodate even larger container vessels.
We have breakbulk ships from Asia coming from Shanghai. We have container ships also coming from Shanghai and Hong Kong, but they're not quite as big as the ones that will be coming through the third set of locks at the Panama Canal. After that is expanded, then we can see 3 times the size of ships going through that canal.
An hour south of Houston, near Freeport, Texas, the canal's expansion could mean huge opportunities for the city's port, producers, and shippers of U.S. liquefied natural gas, or LNG, which has seen a record growth in production in recent years. Freeport is one of just a handful of LNG terminals that has a permit from the U.S. Department of Energy to export natural gas. U.S. LNG firms want to start shipping gas to Asia, opening up a huge new market. Today, most LNG tankers are too big for the Panama Canal, but once expansion is completed, 90% of ships carrying the gas could use the expanded canal.
There's 4 projects in the Gulf Coast that'll be coming online starting in 2016, 2017. That'll be exporting LNG from the U.S. Gulf Coast to Asia. And those projects were financed based on the assumption that the Panama Canal would work. And the reason why that's important is because it'll reduce shipping distance about 5,000 miles from the U.S. Gulf Coast to East Asia, so particularly Japan. And because of that, the majority of the ships that couldn't have passed through the Panama Canal will be able to pass through the Panama Canal now.
Larger vessels are being built with greater demand in mind, and the world's busiest ports are getting ready. Despite previous setbacks and delays, industries have their sights set on when the dredging work is finally done. Ginger Vaughn, CCTV, Houston.